What's going on, Larry the Ghost here. In today's video, I'm here to discuss top 4 features that I would like to see added in GarageBand iOS in 2020. Number 1. Mastering channel. While creating my last tutorial, which was how to make a Juice WRLD type beat part 3, which if you haven't seen it already, go ahead and check it out. I quickly realized there was no dedicated mastering channel on the GarageBand iOS app. Being able to mix down to a master track and add effects on the master bus will make GarageBand one step closer to being an all-in-one solution for creating professional music. While there are some quirky workarounds this issue, such as downloading a third-party mastering app, this means that GarageBand iOS might not be the best app when it comes to mastering your tracks. Number 2. Automation for panning and other effects. While GarageBand offers automation on certain parameters such as volumes and master effects, I would like to see more complete automation control over other features. Ability to pan tracks from left to right or vice versa. Ability to toggle on and off certain effects. If I want reverb only on the last 4 bars, I want to be able to automate that. These are the few examples that I can think of, and I feel like this is a feature that can be easily implemented on the next GarageBand iOS update. Number 3. Track templates. Having the ability to save and change your default project template would save tremendous amount of time on GarageBand iOS. If you have been producing for a while, then you will realize there are certain key features within the program that you tend to use on all of your projects. If you know you're going to be using Alchemy Synth, we should have the ability to have the plugin preloaded every time we create a new project. If you know you're going to be recording audio and you want the same vocal chain loaded every time you start a new project, then this feature will definitely come in handy for most of you. The ability to set up template to use for new tracks with preset instruments and track settings will not only help you save enormous amount of time, this is a must-have feature for the next GarageBand iOS update. And number 4. Track grouping / effects sends. You can create up to 32 tracks in GarageBand iOS. Being able to group vocals, percussion, and guitars in one place would help tremendously with project management. Having a dedicated single track just as an effects channel, also known as a bus track, and having the ability to send other tracks to this effects track is something that I can see being easily added on the next GarageBand iOS update. So yeah, that's it for today's video. What are some of the features you would like to see added on the next GarageBand iOS update? Let me know in the comment down below, and if you haven't already, like, subscribe, and share this video if you found this helpful. And see you guys next time.